Hello guys, you're on channel Slam of the Sea. I'm Denis and I'm from Russia. Today I want to show you and tell you about evening Vladivostok. It's 9 p.m. in the evening. It's evening now, yeah. And it's rain on the street. What? All day was sun, but it's rain in the evening. Nice. Okay, let's go. I want to show you several places in the evening Vladivostok. For example, field of my university, and two bridges in Vladivostok. One of them, this is Golden Bridge. Yeah, let's go. This is church of my university, church on territory of Maritime State University. But I don't go in the church because I'm atheist. Yeah, atheist in Russia. Why I won't show you evening Vladivostok? Because Vladivostok is really and incredibly beautiful in the evening. You can see a lot of lights and a lot of bright place in the evening. Yeah, this is enter to my university. Enter at Maritime State University. I've been going in my university for 4 years. Guys, I didn't think that in the evening will be rain, but it's so bad for my phone, so bad for me and you. Why? Because my cameras really bad now because of rain. Yeah, it's so bad. But guys, in other ways I make video for you in this evening about evening Vladivostok because I like you, yeah. And I believe that you like me too, because like this video. This is the main entrance in my university, main stairways. Yeah, you can see evening Vladivostok from this place. This is so beautiful, so nice. Vladivostok, really amazing city. City with numerous ships and boats. Okay guys, rain cannot break our plans in this video, so I'm going to go to field on about the sea. Yeah, about the sea. Let's go. But guys, one remark: quality of this video will not be so good because this is evening and quality of my video is worse. Guys, this is one of dormitory in my university. Almost all cadets and all students leave our dormitory and go at home because this is sun and we have holidays here. Would you want to live in this high house? Write about it below. This is really beautiful house. Guys, this is evening Vladivostok. From this place, this is amazing view on this city. Yeah, I like Vladivostok. Do you like Vladivostok? Guys, now 20 minutes past 9 p.m. So you can see light yet. Yeah, but I'll show you evening Vladivostok after 10 p.m. This will be really incredibly beautiful. Now I'm going along street Stanikovicha. Yeah, you can see high house about 50 floors. Guys, in this place, ashore sea, we have usually so hard, strong winds. Oh, guys, look at the special house. This is special house, ashore sea for tourists. Yeah. By the way, my profession is navigator, and so I can work on this float, on this merchant float. Yeah, but I really like short video. Now I'm going to the field on shore of sea. Guys, I worry about my equipment for shooting video because it rains on the street and my equipment is so wet, but I think it will be all normal. Yeah, it will be all normally with my equipment. You can see other shore of Vladivostok from this place. Oh, this is homes for tourists. I told you about these homes when I was on the high. Guys, this is key of Maritime State University. This is one of 3 key of Vladivostok here. But now I'm going to field of Maritime State University. Okay, let's go. Here you can find a sport field. I like train in this plane, yeah, because this is fresh air. Special route for running, for runners. This is circle about 400 meters. Yeah, about 400 meters. Our sportsman, boxer. Guys, before this video I named in other video sport field, playground, yes. But in Russia, field or sport field, this is field for footballer, and so I called playground. I think this is place where you can train, yeah, where you can train. But no, this is sport field or field. Okay. Also, from this place you can see full other shore of Vladivostok. It's incredibly beautiful. Guys, you can see skyscrapers from this place. You can see a lot of different homes and other people. Yeah. Oh, this is 2 new skyscrapers in Vladivostok. 2 reasons why I don't like Vladivostok. First, this is so hard traffic on the route, hard traffic, machine, cars, yeah. And second, this is climate, subtropic climate. This is very wet climate for me. Key of Vladivostok. Yeah, guys, this was key and field about the show of Vladivostok. But now I want to show you 2 bridges, 2 evening bridges with lights. So go in special place for this. Look at this evening building. This is special training center for seafarers, training center of Maritime State University for navigators and mechanics. Oh guys, interesting fact about this area in Vladivostok. This area is named Egerscheld here, and this is the most expensive area in Vladivostok. Yeah, because this area about sea. I don't know why the most expensive, because here is really hot wind and really cold in the winter. But yeah, this is the most expensive area. Now you can see one part evening Vladivostok. This is one of numerous ports of Vladivostok. You can see cranes here and a lot of lights. When I go to place that show you evening bridge, Golden Bridge, I've found this lion. Yeah, this is beautiful statue. Yeah, little square. Russian little square. Guys, write in comments your opinion about duration of my video. You can want to watch video before 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. It will be really useful for me as creator. Guys, I have good news for you. We are on place where you can see beautiful evening Vladivostok and beautiful Golden Bridge, only without this car. This Golden Bridge, guys, now I need across route and I'm waiting empty place without cars. Yeah, I found empty place on route and you can see pretty evening Vladivostok. Do you like it? Because I like. Oh, bad my focus. Golden Bridge. I make video about this bridge on my YouTube channel. Cranes sea, ports, ocean, nature. And this all Russia. This all Far East. This all Vladivostok. Okay, guys, this was evening video about Vladivostok, about ports, field, my university, Golden Bridge. I think it was really interesting for you, really informative for you, because like this video, subscribe on my channel, help me your donation, and bye bye. See you next time. Пока-пока.